Hello, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to the part 2 of Staff Web Hosting. Now, we will learn how to deploy an add-on of WordPress. So, just click this Request Web Hosting. Log in with your class credential. Now, go to your cPanel. Enter your username you have just created before. Now, wait until it logs in. Okay, now you can just go to this menu, click here, Add-ons, and click the WordPress. So it will show there's no WordPress installations. So just click the Add New WordPress. Inside here, you just choose your domain which you want to install. This adis.staff. Yeah, this is the directory. For example, if you want to install in adis.staff.mw.my /wp or directory or any of your names, you can put it. If you don't want, you want to install it in your current domain, just move here. Okay, and just enter your DB password. So inside here, I can just create a random password. So, or here I just create a random password. So make sure you copy that one in, okay, and just click install. Click continue. You can save your passwords, right? Just if you forgot it, just continue, and it will automatically install your WordPress. Okay, done. Now you just go to your URL, clicking there, then choose English. The title, for example, I just put my name. The username is this one. Okay, and this is password. Okay, and then email. So for the password, I'm just gonna use password from this password and just click install WordPress. Now just wait a little while. It's installed. Just enter your login password. Password is password. Login. Now you will enter the dashboard of your WordPress. And visit your sites and so on. That's all. Until next time. Bye bye.